Coach, 3 points again. Glasses on this time. Remember. First of all, what makes it so tough for teams to come down here and play against Waterford?
You see, we have a never say die attitude over here. And while we are on our home turf, you know, we actually determined that we're not leaving here without 3 points. So I'm not saying that a team can't come and get the points, but they would have to come and work for it. Because the mentality of these players, you know, they work from start and finish. They're not going to give up. So you have to be willing to fight through to the end.
Coach, how can you transfer that mentality and also that hard work onto the away games? And you think that in doing so you can see more, can reap more better results?
Well, I believe it's working, you know. I believe motivating these guys is working because, you know, our game before this was an away game in which we won 3-0. So I think we're getting there. We're just taking things step by step and just, you know, it's a long season. So we don't want to make any prediction. We don't want to bite off more than what we can chew. We're just taking it game by game.
What aspect of your team you think you need to just fine tune now to say you guys are ready to hit against the big gunners?
Well, to be honest, my team we're a very small unit, you know. We're small in numbers, but the quality is there. So we just have to you know, get in some more training session, work on our finishing, you know, work on the midfield some more. And I believe we should do well next game.
How do you manage the small squad size and keeping everyone fit and also in rotation so you don't get a burnout?
The thing is that you said these guys are physically fit. You know, in order to prevent burnout, you know, we have some changes, some young guys, some under 16, under 14 guys on the bench that they do get some minutes on the game. So to prevent the burnout, we keep them a game.
All right, bless up here, coach. And say the name again?
Kevin Reid.
All right, coach, bless up.